Hello everyone, I myself Astha Bhatt from Standard 8C. Good morning respected father, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Prayer is a form of communication to God. Prayer is done by those who trust the power of word and thought. Lord Jesus taught the people to say the prayer. It can be in any form. It can be spoken, silent or can be sung. It can be used to praise the God or to ask something including help and forgiveness. I would like to request all the teachers and students to stand up and take your prayer position.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom.
I would like to invite Gohil Vidhiba for today's thought for the day.
Good morning. Myself Vidhiba Gohil from Standard 8C, standing here to share a thought. Every next level of your life will demand a different you, which means that change tend to be the only constant in our life. No two moments are same. Life is constantly evolving, forcing us to evolve as well. So, each level of your life demands a different version of ourselves to face this challenging world.
I would like to thank Gohil Vidhiba for giving us such an inspirational thought. Thank you.